Assalamu alaikum. Hello traders, how are you today? I hope well. Okay traders, I haven't uploaded a video in a long time because I have other things to do. Now I want to show Gobot's match hedging digits. And there will be another Gobot hedging. So keep an eye on our channel. And before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Tricksimple Binary channel for video updates for the next video. Gobot hedging has two methods on the bot, which can be used for profit. Then how does this bot work? Watch this video carefully until it's finished, so that you understand the Gobot hedging system. Requirements for this bot must have a stable internet connection, because we will be using this bot using 4 different browser tabs. And every browser needs to be in sync for this bot to work properly. If this bot is out of sync, it will interfere with the bot's performance results. So that martingale multiplication in all bots is interconnected and equal. As long as this bot is in sync with 4 browser tabs, this bot can still be controlled. If any bot run is out of sync, then we can stop the bot and run again to stabilize the connection of all bots. And for the management system, stake adjusts to the balance you have. Because this bot uses 4 browser tabs, so the stakes issued will be bigger. Target profit and target loss adjust to market conditions at that time. And done manually each bot, if the target is as desired. Here I try with a capital of $25, with a stake of 35 cents. This hedging bot has 2 methods, which differ in their advantages and disadvantages. In this session I use method 1. Method 1 has the same tick duration and different LDP targets for each bot. The possibility of winning only one bot in one transaction. So the profit that can be obtained is not too large. If all lost, the bot will martingale as long as the bot is still in sync. If this bot is profitable at the beginning when the bot is running, it is likely that the profit will be fast. But if in a transaction during a long-run bot to get win, then this bot will only reverse the profits from our initial capital, and the losses are not too big. As long as this bot is in sync, because the martingale bot multiplication still works the same for every bot. In this session, we run a bot with method 1. Because the market doesn't support it, and we only get a return on a few transactions in a few minutes. Here we can stop the bot first to avoid things that are not wanted later. And we will use method 2 in running this bot in the next session. Okay traders, now we replace with method 2 for hedging this bot. The difference with method 1 is that method 2 uses a different tick duration for each bot. And the possibility of winning in transactions can be more than one browser tab, so that the profit that can be obtained can be greater and quickly generate profits. As long as this bot is still in sync, then the martingale multiplication in each bot remains the same. and not in sync because the internet connection is unstable, you can stop the bot and run the bot again to stabilize it again. Okay traders, the bot has almost 100% profit, and here we can stop the bot because it is already profitable. Don't wait until our balance runs out. So use bots according to your needs and market conditions at that time. Don't be too forced. Okay traders, there will be another hedging Gobot which will be updated. And for those of you who already have Gobot, you can email me to update the Gobot that you have now. If there is an update, we will send it for free according to the Gobot you have. And for those of you who don't have our Gobot, you can check on our website in the description. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it.